Going to show you. Hi. Today we're going to show you how to live stream to YouTube and your website simultaneously using our TV panel. First things first, we're going to want to log into the panel with the following URL. Then we're going to enter our username, which we have set here, and then the password. Then we click sign in, and then we're under options. We're going to click on the first little icon, the three little bars, and then we're going to start streaming on our OBS. It's very important to live stream to Facebook or YouTube. You have to be streaming first from a source. For example, vMix, Wirecast, OBS. For now, we already have OBS set up, and we're going to click on start streaming. It should connect. Perfect. All right, so now we're live. Now we're going to refresh the site, and we're going to click on play, and we're going to give it a second, and we should start seeing our stream. Perfect. Okay. So here we see it. Once we see our video, whatever we're streaming, coming through to the website, we're going to click on stream targets, create new stream target, YouTube, and we're going to give it a name, YouTube test. We're going to click on save stream target, and here it's going to ask us for the URL and key. We're going to click on YouTube live streaming dashboard, and it'll automatically take us to our YouTube account. And right below here, we're going to see a server URL or a stream URL. We're going to copy that. And we're going to copy that and paste that onto server URL. And where it says stream name key, we're going to copy the stream key. Once we have this, we're just going to click on save stream target. And then we're going to click on reconnect. In a couple of seconds, this disabled button will turn green onto online, just like it just did. And we're going to now give it a second. And we're going to see our stream coming into YouTube. Perfect. So right now, YouTube is streaming what we're currently doing and what we're currently playing from OBS. So we're going to click on pause that, and we're just going to click on end stream. We're going to click on end, and perfect. And then once you're done streaming on YouTube, but you want to continue streaming to your website, you can just click disable. And then whenever you want to start streaming again, you just click reconnect. This will always maintain the same thing unless you sign out of YouTube. If you sign out, it'll give you a new stream name key, which will probably say error here when trying to connect. You just do the same process. You click on YouTube live streaming dashboard, and we're just going to copy the certain information down here, the stream key and the stream URL. Those are the two things you're going to always need. And you're also able to reset the stream key. If you were streaming from a computer, you don't want that info saved, you can just reset it and it won't be able to connect until you add the new one. But this was a video on how to stream to YouTube and your website simultaneously. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to leave them on in the comments and I'm happy to help you out. Thank you so much and have a great day.